Right then, out on a lovely day, lovely crispy day I should say, because it is flipping freezing outside. It's what, 3 degrees out here? When you put the wind chill factor in, it's probably about -3. But it's a beautiful day. You got nice clear blue skies. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm out on the Gixxer this morning. I was itching to go out for a ride all weekend, but I didn't get a chance, even though the weather has been absolutely amazing this whole weekend since Friday. But I didn't get a chance to go out, so I'm out on the Gixxer 750. Listen to this. A little bit, but not going too crazy with it because as you can see the roads are moist. It's always a fun word, isn't it? Moist. So yeah. Cut through a bit of traffic here. A police car being towed away. That's never a good sign, is it? There's no damage on the car. So, why did I buy the GSXR 750? Well, good reasons why. And am I happy that I bought it? Should I have bought another bike? Should I have perhaps bought the Kawasaki Ninja or the CBR 600 or 1000? Well, my previous bike, and the one that I've got already, is a Triumph 675 Street Triple. And it's an absolutely brilliant bike. Absolutely amazing. I mean, it's that bike, after being out on a sports bike, and when you go out on that bike, you can understand the hooliganism, the streetism, the appeal that bike has. It's absolutely amazing. But that's not what I'm here to do a review of, or talk about. So the reason why I bought this bike is because my previous bike was a Triumph Street Triple, and I was in the market for a bike, which was a sports bike. So when I'm doing the extra high speeds, which I don't do often, I'm not being blown left and right by the wind. So it's got a bit of fairings, sports bike, it's fit for purpose, and I used the Street Triple for commuting. So I knew that the sports bike that I was going to purchase was going to be a bit uncomfortable. It wasn't probably going to be my everyday commuting bike. So, the bike that I've always loved, and I love the look of that bike, is the Kawasaki Ninja. Absolutely love it. Love it from the 700 days. The ZX7R. Just think it's a beautiful looking bike. To be honest with you, I didn't really like the old school Suzukis, the S-Rads. I know someone who's got one, and yeah, they're a good bike. Well, I don't think they look that amazing. So the Kawasaki for me looks much better. But I was in the market for a 600. So went out looking at the ZX6R, beautiful looking bike. I sat on it, and I thought, well, this isn't very comfortable at all. and I thought, well, I don't know if I can live with this, even if I'm only going to be riding it over the weekends, and the odd occasional ride out with the boys and the girls. So I thought, well, that's not something that I really want to purchase if it's going to be very uncomfortable. So started looking at the R6, the Yamaha R6, and what an absolutely amazing machine that is. I mean, really such a nice, beautiful looking bike. Revs really good. Again, I sat on it and it just wasn't that comfortable. I was just all over the place on that bike, so I thought, well, that's not very nice. And also, reading some reviews and doing a bit of research about the R6, turns out that they are very expensive to maintain, and they're not very good at low revs. So the occasional times when you are going to your country lanes via these sort of roads, when you have 30-mile-an-hour speed cameras, I thought, well, that's not going to be much fun, is it? So I started looking at the GSXR750. Didn't really appeal to me, if I'm honest with you. The GSXR750, I thought it looked a bit clunky and it looked a bit big and not very nice. Not as nice as the ZX6R and the R6. However, when I got on one, I thought, well, this is a beautiful bike. It handles beautifully, it sits beautifully. I'm very, very comfortable in the riding position. And also, when I started looking at the prices, the R6 was about £1,000 more expensive for the year and model that I was looking for, around 2012, 2013. £1,000 more expensive than the ZX6R and the GSXR600. So I thought, well, I'm not really too sure if I've got another £1,000 to spare on an uncomfortable bike, which I'm not really going to enjoy that much. So, very, very confusing, if you ask me. So, what did I do? I ended up buying a GSXR750. Why did I do that? Well, like I said, the price has a big impact on these sort of things. And a ZX6R, around 2002, 2013, well looked after, fairly low mileage. When I was looking for it, was around between £5,000 and £6,000. So I thought, well, that's not too bad. Looked at the GSXR750 one day, and it was the same price. So I thought, well, it's a bit stupid if I don't get a bigger bike for what I need. And I'm glad that I did, because it's an absolutely amazing machine. So the reason why I bought it, it's more practical from that perspective. The reason that I bought it is because it's more comfortable. It's obviously more practical, because if I do want to use it on a commute to work on the odd occasions, I'm not going to be absolutely knackered by the time I get into work and when I get home. So, beautiful bike, in terms of that sense, and it looks really good as well, I think. I think it looks much better than the than the GSXR600, with its, let's face it, skinny body. So this looks a bit more beefed up. It looks really good in black. The front headlight, yeah, it's debatable. It's not really the most amazing feature on GSXR600, on the GSXR bikes. But then again, you can't really get everything, can you? And also, it sounds absolutely amazing. It really does. This bike has an amazing sound. I mean, the inline 4, it's really, really grunty at lower revs, so I'm not struggling to find the power, because it's got plenty of torque. It's got plenty of torque in the lower range, and when you get up in the rev range, it does everything that you want it to do. So it is absolutely amazing. Just need to leave this trailer traffic here, and then I can open it up. You have to enjoy the bike a little bit. But yeah, it's a really fun bike. I really enjoy it. And people who say that Gixxer owners are a bunch of well, I'm not really too sure, to be honest, because like I said to you, I was never really a Gixxer fan. Nothing to say that I didn't like the bikes. I'm into bikes that look good, that are comfortable, that are practical, so I like all bikes. There's no fan clubbism around these sort of things. I just think it's a brilliant bike, and I'm really happy with the purchase. The roads are a bit wet today, aren't they? The roads are moist. It's always a fun word. Mildly moist.